And the time now on Chapman Spin Radio in the UK is 1 minute past 8 in the evening, and we've got our next guest on the line. Who's calling and where are you calling from?
Hello, I'm Marinella Pucci. I'm calling from the Netherlands, but originally I'm from Italy.
Marinella, now you're a wide-ranging artist, visual, you're a dancer, choreographer, tango DJ and dancer, Zumba and fitness instructor, and you're also a poetry writer and a holistic therapist. So you're a busy lady, aren't you?
I am. And I have to say, I have even an administrative job full time. So
Right.
I do
Now,
this activity that you mentioned all of my spare time and in the weekend. The dream
Right.
is to make it my official job one day, maybe when I retire, but in the meantime, I'm just putting a lot of passion and energy into it.
but that's years to come, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, first of all, just tell me, you're a wide-ranging artist, visual dancer, and choreographer. Tell us about that.
Yes, I have to say that in my childhood I always had dedicated time to develop as an artist. So I studied dancing, I qualified choreographer, so long path. And in the meantime, I want to mention that this lockdown period has been very key for me to go back to my artistic side because I had time to reflect what I really want to do when I grow up. So before it's too late in life, we need to follow the dreams and not keep anymore them in the coffer, but try to make them true because we don't want to regret when we will be old. So this is the message I want to give to the audience, to follow their own passion and dreams. That's what I'm doing today, and that's what I'm here to talk about. It is about my new initiative that is Mari Pucci Lab, and it's a lab that is englobing all my interests and passion that are also done in a professional way. So what I'm doing is dancing activity in different styles. So I do dance distress because myself I developed a lot of stress during this time, and the only way was to come back to my body, to my connection. So I developed a dance distress that is a mix of fitness, yoga, and dance, and I propose that via Zoom lessons, and so it's online, everybody can do on their own pace, connecting, everything is feasible. And I do muscle awakening, so it's really nice gentle movement, that on a Sunday morning, the dance distress on a Friday evening. So as I said, I put this always in my spare time at the moment. And then I do Zumba, that is more active dance, and to complete the vibe, that is meditative dancing to reconnect with own emotions. But as you said, I have other interests. So I have developed discovered actually the quality of being able to write poetry. This is happening because I really connect with my deep feelings, and I put them in writing in Italian because it's the language that I have a good command of. And thanks to life possibility, I connected with a blogger in Italy that is publishing my poetry. So I really want to mention them and thank. That is Mille Piroette. Today they celebrate 1 month, so I really wish them good luck. They are doing well too, and I'm happy to be part of them. And they also published some poetry with another group of people that is called the Poeti di Strada. So I see a bit of involvement all the side. I also like to paint, so I try to different styles. I do acrylic, I do drawings, and one of my painting now is the subject of a writer that is in US and is publishing a book with a collection of art pieces, and one of those is mine, so I'm very proud also of that. So as you see, little sign today also to be invited here means that there is something moving on in the direction of being an artist and being happy by doing it.
Marinella, if anyone out there wants to contact you, how do people get in touch?
Yes, they can contact me because I have a website that is going to be completed. It's not fully developed because I'm growing along with my activity. As I said, Maripucci Lab is a lab, so we have different sections, body and mind, and then there is the CREART, that is all this art, poetry and painting, but there is also another section that I didn't tell you about, that is tango. I'm also a tango DJ and tango dancer. I organize some events, milongas, and in this period we are a bit on hold because we cannot hug each other, but soon we will be able to dance again. So they can contact me in www.maripuccilab.com, and they can write an email to me at maripuccilab@gmail.com. Then you have profile in Instagram, page in Facebook, so we are trying to grow also on the social.
Okay then, Marinella, that was Marinella Pucci on the line from Wassenaar in the Netherlands. Marinella, thank you very much for coming on.
Thank you for inviting, and all the best. I will follow you on the radio soon again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There we are, Marinella. That was a good interview.